Hello and welcome to jolly old England, home of jolly old English people. Today we're going to answer the age-old question of how high is too high, how low is too low, and we're going to use this telephone booth and Vern, the Mavic Mini. Hello and welcome to Drone of Art. I'll be your host. You may recognize me as such hits as Drone Over Trees, Drone Over Lake, Drone Over Rocks, Drone Over Stream, and the ever popular Where the Hell Did My Drone Go? If you're like me, I feel a little less than secure when I'm trying to gauge the height of the drone, named Vern. I can never really tell how high he is compared to an object. When I'm trying to look up at it, I can't tell, is it high enough? Is it going to hit it? Or have I gone so high that it's just ridiculous? The problem is when I look through the screen, I don't know, I'm assuming center, where is it in relation to the actual physical drone? We're going to run a little experiment. Now, first thing we need to do is get the drone fired up. Come on, you stupid GPS, log on! Fine, I'll do it live.
We'll do it live. Okay. We'll do it live. Okay. Do it live. I'll write it and we'll do it live.
Now that we got everything connected and running good, let's try it. Now I turned on the crosshairs, so that should be the center. I figured that would be dead center with the drone. Or at the very least, since it's on the gimbal, that is kind of at the bottom of it, that would be just a little bit lower than the body. So let's find out. Houston, we have a problem. When you place the horizontal axis of the crosshairs on the top of the object, in this case the phone booth here in downtown London, you will actually hit it. The legs will hit the top of building, tree, swing set, small children. It's been known to happen. Which kind of makes sense when you consider that if the axis, the horizontal axis, is in the middle of the gimbal, the legs are below it. That makes sense. With my precision guidance, I will definitely land Vern on top of this phone booth, and we can see what the crosshair settings are. That would just, it would clear it, but it would scrape by. There you go. That's what the crosshairs look like when it's sitting on top. That means anything lower and you would hit the phone booth or tree, building, small child, whatever the object may be. Now I know where I stand. Of course, I need to also try it from a distance. This is up close. You know, I don't want to have to pull right up next to the object just to see where I'm at. I like to do the continuous flow, but at least this gives me a guideline when I'm coming closer, whether or not I know I'm going to hit it. Just a little bit of peace of mind, and I'm here to help. I thank you for your time. I hope you learned something. Somebody call Captain Marvel.
Hey, Peter Parker.